What's going on, YouTube? It's Triple Threat doing another Madden mobile video. And today I am going to do a 200k pack opening. Hope we can get some nice elites. So we'll jump right into it once Madden mobile starts up. I'll collect my Jack Lambert money. Hang on. Alright, now let's get right into it. Update team right off the bat. Andre Williams. Not bad. Another update team. Ooh, that was weird. Once I saw Legend, I'm like, whoa. But then it was collectible. Malik Jackson, 91 XL. Brian Timms, 91 speed, 92 XL, 90 agility, 85 jump. So no elite. Rafa Bush, 92 speed, not bad for 76 safety. Steven Bowen, I think his name is. Not too good of a card. Oh, network timeout. So, get right back into that pack opening. Ogard Craig Urbic, 96 strength. That's not bad for a 75. Another legend collectible. What is up? I think all these legend collectibles means that they want me to get a legend. Let's hope it's true. $75 James Anderson. That was a pretty bad pack. No elites yet. Jeremy Minke, 89 strength. No update team. Chris Clemens, 90 awareness. Greg Toller, 90 speed. speed. Come on, we have to get an elite. Oh, okay, no stats. Wouldn't let me show it. Oh, it's not a bad update, team. Alright, not a bad pack. We have about 75k left to do. Oh, let's go, Vernon Davis. Finally an elite. Let's see if we could get a streak going on with elite. No, we cannot. I forgot to show you the stats on you. I'll tell you. I'll show you after this. 90 speed. Ooh, 86 Jurius Wright. Not bad card at all. George Iloka. Brandon Brooks, 81 Odegaard, 94 strength, 93 run block. We have about 5 more packs left. Oh, let's go. Another elite preseason team of the week. I don't think he goes for that much, but he'll definitely make up for the pack. Odegaard, 75, Rob Sims. Not bad strength and awareness. And I think we have 2 more after this. Cameron Hayward, 91 strength. Conte Hightower. And this is our last card right here. Our last pack. Rob Sims Odegaard. So I'll show you the elite. Brandon Davis. 83 strength, 91 acceleration. I would never put him on my team because of his pass block. But he's not a bad card. I'll go open up a few sets. A few more. I didn't do any of this this video. Let's hope EA doesn't lag us. Get a gold. Another gold. It won't let me scroll. Oh, here we go. A bronze. An elite. Sweet. A silver. Another silver. 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 And 2 other golds. Oh, it crashed. Let's hope I still have a set. Didn't just take 10 gold players. Let's hope. I will do a large quick sell, maybe more than one. I know I have enough for one. I'm not sure about 2. Come on, Madden Mobile. Come on, EA, don't fail me now. And I'm new to doing this the Madden Mobile YouTube. So if you guys have any pointers or tips to give me, I would appreciate that. And every like and subscriber counts. So you can put in the comments what you would like me to do, and I'll try my best to do that. Let's just hope it'll work. It's not working for anything. Let's just do a real quick live event, just to get the servers used to when you come back. And sorry guys, I'll just have to stop the video here. See ya.